Welcome to you in 14th lecture of haloalkanes and haloarenes. There are topics of this video: action of metals on haloalkanes, reduction of haloalkanes, and isomerization of haloalkanes. First we go action of metal on haloalkanes. There first we go action of metals. In this heading we study different reactions. One is action of magnesium. It is also called Grignard reaction. Really, an alkyl halide mixed with magnesium about it at 40 degrees centigrade in presence of dry ether. It should be dry to form Grignard reagent. You know, compound RMGX is called Grignard reagent. This is Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is a compound in which on one side magnesium is attached with halogen atom, on the other side with alkyl or aryl group. There may be also aryl group. For example, reaction methyl iodide reacts with magnesium at 40 degrees centigrade in presence of dry ether to form methyl magnesium iodide. It is an Grignard reagent. In the same way, ethyl bromide reacts with magnesium on similar conditions to form ethyl magnesium bromide. It is also a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent is highly useful और एक बहुत important चीज है. Hence ether, presence of ether is compulsory. It is prepared in the ether. You know why? It is a highly sensitive with compounds in which active hydrogen is present, like water, alcohol, amines, urea, etc. Clear? It reacts with any compound in which active hydrogen is present. It gives alkane. It gives alkane. Even that with moisture like this, it reacts with like water to form, this is alkane. This is. In the same way, it reacts with alcohol, amines and so on to form also alkane. Like this, if you take an alcohol, it also reacts to form alkane. This is in this way. It is a alkoxide ग्रुप जुड़ा हुआ है मैग्नीशियम से एक साइड, एक तरफ X, alkoxide magnesium halide. Like this, if it reacts with ethyl magnesium bromide, So it forms ethane and magnesium hydroxybromide. Suppose it reacts with alcohol to form also ethane and methoxy magnesium iodide. These are uses of Grignard's reagent. Now we go another reaction. Small b number, the action of lead on ethyl bromide. Clear? लेड से रिएक्शन कराते हैं हम लोग. क्या रिएक्शन होगा ये देखते हैं. लेड की जगह एक्चुअली हम लोग यहाँ पर जो है सोडियम पीबी अलॉय लेंगे. लेड से रिएक्शन में सोडियम पी लेड अलॉय. व्हाट हैपेंस? Sodium lead alloy reacts with ethyl bromide to form tetraethyl lead. Tetraethyl lead. 4 ethyl groups are required, and it gives this is compound. This is clear. This is called tetraethyl lead, shortly written as TEL. It is a highly useful compound. It is an anti-knock compound. This TEL is an anti-knock compound. Used in gasoline, that is petrol, for decrease of knocking. जो इम्प्योर पेट्रोल होता है, पेट्रोल की कुछ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिफेक्ट के कारण उसमें नॉकिंग प्रॉपर्टी होती है. इसकी वजह से जब लोग गाड़ी को स्टार्ट करते हैं उसमें मेटालिक साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है. दिस मेटालिक साउंड, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मेटालिक साउंड इज कॉल्ड नॉकिंग. इसको डिक्रीज करने वाले जो कंपाउंड्स हैं कहलाते हैं एंटी नॉक कंपाउंड्स, इन विच टेट्राएथाइल लेड इज हाईली यूजफुल. पेट्रोल में टेट्राएथाइल लेड को इसलिए मिलाया जाता है, मिक्स किया जाता है फॉर डिक्रीज ऑफ नॉकिंग. इन द सेम वे अनदर रिएक्शन, Wurtz reaction. It is a very important reaction for preparation of alkanes and for preparation of higher alkanes. यहाँ क्या होगा? Alkyl halide reacts with dry sodium and ether to give alkane. It is used for preparation of higher alkanes. Higher alkanes के लिए यूज करते हैं. For example, रिएक्शन के आइए देखते हैं. In this way, this is the alkyl halide. You take dry sodium It reacts with two molecules of alkyl halide in this manner. There are two molecules and it reacts with this manner. And it forms RR dash alkane and sodium halide. This reaction in presence of dry ether. हमने कहा it is used for preparation of high alkanes. How? कैसे possible है? आइए देखते हैं how it is possible. Suppose question is given, you convert methane into ethane. First you react methane with bromine. To it gives methyl bromide. Now you react methyl bromide with sodium. Then two molecules of methyl bromide react in this manner. And it forms ethane. Thus we can convert methane into ethane. Lower alkane to higher alkane. In the same way, it reacts with ethyl bromide to form butane. Clear? This is not used for preparation of alkanes having carbon atoms in odd number, because their mixture of alkanes is obtained. यहाँ two carbon atoms, there are 4 carbon atoms. Suppose when you react methyl bromide and ethyl bromide mixture, then you know what will be result. Then really ऐसा तो आपको रिएक्शन से लग रहा है their propane is formed, but when we react mixture of methyl bromide and ethyl bromide with sodium, then really mixture of ethane, butane, propane is obtained. There all 3 reactions are possible. In the same way, we go next reaction. Franklin reaction. It is similar to Wurtz reaction, where zinc is used in the place of sodium. In other words, we can say when zinc is treated with alkyl halide in presence of dry ether, then alkane is obtained. In this way, we take zinc in the place of sodium, then it gives zinc halide and alkane. Like this is methyl bromide, you react with zinc, then product is ethane and zinc bromide. Clear? Yeah. यहाँ एक टर्म और बता दूं मैं आपको, ऑर्गेनोमेटालिक कंपाउंड्स. What are organometallic compounds? These are compounds in which metal atom is bonded with carbon atom. These are organic compounds in which a metal atom is bonded with a carbon atom. खाली मेटल का प्रेजेंस होना नहीं पर्याप्त है, मेटल को कार्बन से बॉन्ड बनाना चाहिए. क्लियर? Its most common example is Grignard reagent. Example: Grignard reagent RMGX, TL tetraethylate. Clear? Alkyl lithium and so on. In Grignard reagent, you know, like this is in methyl magnesium bromide. Magnesium is bonded with carbon atom. In the same in TEL, you know, tetraethylate. PB is bonded with 4 carbon atoms in this way. This is tetraethylate. In ethyl lithium, carbon is bonded with the lithium. These are called organometallic compounds. So we can say Grignard reagent is an organometallic compound. Now we got another topic. Reduction of haloalkanes. Reduction of haloalkanes. Normally alkyl halides reduce to give alkane. Clear? Alkyl halides reduced to form alkanes. Clear? There are so many reducing agents used. They are used reducing agents are lithium aluminum hydride, nickel with hydrogen, palladium with hydrogen, zinc with HCl, sodium with ethyl alcohol, zinc copper alloy or couple with ethyl alcohol, clear, etc. You can use any one reducing agent. Like this is in this way, like their lithium aluminum hydride, like ethyl bromide is reduced with zinc, copper, couple and alcohol. Hence zinc, sodium reacts with alcohol to produce nascent hydrogen, by which it is reduced to give ethane in this way. Clear? Hence lithium aluminum hydride is costly reducing agent. In the place of lithium aluminum hydride, we can use also sodium borohydride. But in the presence of sodium borohydride, 2 degree and 3 degree halides are reduced easily, but not 1 degree halide. One is the common. Therefore, the reduction of Ri, that is alkyl iodides, can use red phosphorus and HI. Clear? इनको यूज कर सकते हैं हम लोग. Like this is in the presence of red phosphorus, it is reduced to form ethane and iodine. Now we go another group, rearrangement reaction. That is isomerization reaction. Rearrangement reactions are many types, मगर most common is isomerization. Isomerization में क्या होगा? Isomer बनेगा. अपने addition reaction, substitution reactions बहुत से पढ़े हैं. What meaning of rearrangement reactions? इसमें कोई भी एटम या ग्रुप नया आकर के ऐड नहीं होगा और कोई रिमूव नहीं होगा. कंपाउंड में सेम नंबर ऑफ एटम्स रहेंगे, उनका अरेंजमेंट खाली चेंज हो जाएगा एंड इट फॉर्म्स अ न्यू कंपाउंड. क्लियर? क्लियर है? फॉर्मिंग कंपाउंड विल बी isomer of reacting compound. Normally in this case, a straight chain compound gives branched chain compound. In presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, on heating, a straight chain alkyl halide, that is 1 degree, gives branched chain halide. It is normally 2 degree, which will be isomer of 1 degree. So this reaction is also called isomerization. reaction is in this way. Like this is this normal butyl chloride. It is 1-chlorobutane. You heat it in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride at 570 Kelvin. It forms this compound, which is isomer of given compound. This isobutyl chloride. Clear? In presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, on heating, the really straight chain compound is converted into branched compound. इसको आप पढ़ें, समझें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें वीडियो को, और अगले वीडियो में लोग पढ़ेंगे केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ हैलोएरिन्स. उसका वेट करें.